Now children, for the money thing, there are two things very, very important. So I'm using a whiteboard to explain you. That day we were discussing that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So if I ask you that I have 7 rupees, then how can I change it to paise? I have 7 rupees. How many paise are there in 7 rupees? If 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, then 7 rupees is equal to what?
Ma'am, 700.
7 into 100 paise, that means 700 paise. Okay. Okay. Now suppose if I ask you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What doubt, Alarika?
Ma'am, you were saying if 1 rupee has 100 value.
It is not 100 value. It is equal to 100 paise.
Okay. So,
Okay.
ma'am, how many? If you are 700, how many
No.
value has 7 has? So,
Yeah.
So
Yes.
7. So we have to convert it in 700.
See, if 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, Alarika, and I have 7 rupees. So each 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, isn't it?
Yes.
So that means if I have to find out in 7 rupees, I will multiply 7 with 100 paise, isn't it? Rather than adding 107 times, I will multiply 7 with 100. Correct?
Okay.
देखो 7 rupees है and each 1 rupee is 100 paise. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. Why to do 100 plus 100 like this 7 times? It is easy that we multiply 7 itself with 100. The answer remains the same. It is 700. Yes? Now, this was a simple thing. So, if I have a question, suppose that I have 25 rupees 50 paise. This is how I will write 25 rupees 50 paise in what do we say, figure form?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to change it to paise. So could you tell me how can I do it?
Ma'am, 25 multiplied by 50 and 2,550 paise.
Excellent, Dharya. Very good. Now shall I tell you how did he do that?
Ma'am, yes, I know. I just said it.
Okay, Larika, what is your answer?
He did it like 25 multiplied by 50.
No, not 25 multiplied by 50. No. That's wrong. See.
We have to divide. Ma'am, can I say?
Ruko Rebanta, please wait. Let me explain. Many children are getting confused. But you tell me your answer, Rebanta. You just give me your final answer. What is your answer? You can calculate and tell that to me in the chat box. See, this is how we do. 25 is rupees, children. Basically, this question has 2 parts. 25 rupees and 50 paise. 50 is already in paise, so I will not change 50 paise, but this 25 is in rupees. So to change rupee to paise, I will have to multiply 25 with 100 paise.
Ma'am,
so
25 with
20
and 50 remains 500.
50, then we will add on to it because 50 is already in paise, so no changes in 50 paise at all, right? So 25 to 100 becomes 2500 or 2500 paise, one and the same thing.
Ma'am, I understood it. I understood.
Good, Mukund. And then when we add it 50 paise to 2500 paise, the answer is same like Dharya said. It is 2550 paise.
And what did you do? Ma'am, I also that is same.
Okay, right. Okay, ठीक है. Larika, listen to me again. When I say 25 rupees 50 paise, one of the part is rupees and one of the part is paise. Am I correct?
Yes.
Which part is rupee and which part is paise? Tell me. Please do not interrupt children. Otherwise, I'll have to put the whole class on mute and unmute only that child who's asking a question. I know you people know multiple ways, but bacha, the child who is asking the question gets confused. Please. That's my request. Okay. Now, Alarika, it has two parts. One is rupee and one is paise. Tell me how many rupees are there and how many paise are there?
I think there is 25 rupees and 50 paise.
Correct. This is how I'm calling out this 25 rupees 50 paise.
Paise.
Now 25 is in the form of rupees and 50 is in the form of paise. And I am asking you to convert this whole thing into paise. I am saying convert 25 rupee and 50 paise into paise. A 50 is already in paise, so no need of doing anything with 50 paise. The only thing is that change 25 rupee into paise, correct? If 1 rupee has 100 paise, as I told you that in order to change 7 rupee to paise, we multiply 7 with 100. Similarly, to change 25 rupee to paise, we will multiply 25 with 100. So when we multiply 25 with 100, we get this as the answer, which is 2,500.
Okay.
Now 25 rupee becomes paise, and then we will add on this 50 paise to it because 50 is already in paise, na? I can't leave that. So my final answer becomes 2,550 paise after adding both of them. Okay. So children,
25.
is it Admina who's trying to speak?
I'm adding water.
Yes, you may. Admina, is that you?
Ma'am, I am saying there is also a simple way. The 25 will be in the place where it is, just the dot should not come and the rupee sign will not come. The 50 will also be with the 25.
Okay, that is also correct. That is also correct. If you can understand it that way, that's a very quick method of doing it. But I am explaining it properly. Like if the children have not done the topic money earlier, so this is the way this is the first step of conversion.
Actually, we came learning this topic money from the grade 1 and grade 2 in global engineering.
Okay, then it's very simple. Then everyone know that to convert rupee into paise, we multiply by 100. Right? Everyone
Yes,
knows that.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
to-
Because we have currently learning this from grade 1.
Somebody said, ma'am, I have a doubt. Somebody was
No, ma'am. No doubt.
no doubt. So whenever rupees are given to you and you have to change it to paise, it is very simple that you will multiply by 100. So this was very, very simple. Now let's come on to the other thing. If paise is given to me and I have to change it to rupee, now how will I do? I have 500 paise. How many rupees are there now?
Ma'am, 5 rupees.
5
rupees.
5 rupees is correct.
Yeah,
Let
ma'am,
me
5
tell
rupees.
how. Let me tell how. Now, rather than writing 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, I can rewrite it that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. It is one and the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am writing the left side on right and the right side on left. See, earlier I was telling you this, that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. They both are equal, na? So I can write it as 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, correct? So if 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, then 500 paise is equal to 5 rupees. What am I doing? I'm actually dividing by 100. Which means when I have to change paise to rupees, I have to divide by 100. It is exactly the inverse. When I have to change rupee to paise, I will multiply by 100. When I have to change paise to rupee, I will divide by 100. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll move to a
Yes, ma'am.
complicated question.
ma'am.
Now, suppose the question is 3,200. 3,250 paise are given to you. Change it into rupees. Now, how will you do it?
Ma'am, I didn't understood that.
What, Rebanta?
Ma'am.
When you, which one?
The previous one.
See, 100 paise is equal to 5 rupees.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Sorry. Wait, 1 second. I'll give you the chance. First, let me explain, Rebanta, the other thing. Now, Rebanta, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Correct? If
Yes.
I multiply both the sides with 5, what will I get? See, I am asking you the question that how many rupees are there in 500 paisa? Am I correct? Right, Rebanta? So if I am multiplying my left hand side with 5, then let me multiply right hand side also with 5. I'll get the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also a simple way. How am I writing 500 paise? Basically, I'm multiplying 100 paise with 5 to get 500 paise. So let's multiply the other side also. Let's multiply our rupee portion also with the same thing. So I get the same answer. Rebanta, you are stuck. I mean, your video is stuck.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, Ishan, you want? Yes, Alarika, I saw. Don't do that. Yes, Ishan, you want to tell me the answer of 3,250?
Ma'am, 32 rupees 50 paise.
Excellent. That's correct.
divide. Ma'am, you just put a line in the 32 rupees 50 paise.
32 rupees 50 paise is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am. There is only one thing to do. I just think it's to put the dot over there. Then it will be 32.
Or you can just simply put a line. If there is a 4-digit number, you will get the answer. Yeah.
See, you people don't know decimals yet. Have you done decimals? No, not decimals is a thing
No, ma'am.
in grade 4 or 5.
I never even know about the dot when I discussed with you.
Ma'am,
So-
1,000 paise is 10 rupees.
What are you saying that? What?
1,000 paise is 10 paisa.
10 rupees. Okay. Very good. I'll explain it to you this. I can explain it to you with this way also, I think. Oh, who is that? No, it won't work this way. Wait, let me think of. See, one way is, children, as I said, whenever we have to change paise to rupees, what did I say? Divide by 100, right? You all know division very well.
Very, very well.
Right. So as I said, that you can divide it by 100. So 100 threes are is what? 300.
Yes.
300.
300. My remainder is what? 25.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 25.
Let me bring this 0 down. Can I divide 250 further by 100? Yes.
Yes.
200. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This division is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is my remainder? My remainder is 50.
250.
No, it is not 250. It is 50. In the end, it is 50.
Yeah, ma'am. Because 2 minus 2. There's no more hundreds left.
Minus
Now, my quotient become my rupee. What is my quotient? My quotient is 32. And my remainder becomes my paise. That is how I am telling you to do this question. By division. This is the way of doing division. Quotient becomes your rupee and remainder becomes your paise.
Ma'am, can you explain
again? Sure.
This dollar is not like a decimal. It's just to separate the rupees and paise.
The way Daksh is explaining is also correct, and that's a shortcut. But I think if I am trying to do shortcuts with you straight away, you people are getting confused. So let me explain it once again, Ishan. 3250 divided by 100. So I will have to take a 3-digit number only in the dividend because my divisor is a 3-digit number. Yes. This is how we do division.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300, exactly like the table of 10. So then what I did, 100 threes are 300. So 3 to 5 minus 300 gives me 25. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
0 comes down. So it becomes 250. Because I have a 0 here still in the dividend, so it will come down and my number becomes 250. Now 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300. So I will have to take 200 only because it is less than 250. So I did 100 twos are 200. Now when I subtract 200 from 250, I get 50 as the remainder. So my quotient become my rupees and my remainder becomes my paise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rebanta, you are playing. I hope this is clear to you. Yes. Yes, children, any doubt till here how to do conversion from rupee to paise or paise to rupee?
Oh, ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes,
For
Nukul.
2-digit numbers also, can we just do like, for example, 50 rupees, we have to find out how many paise. Can we just do 50 into 100?
Yes. See, what is your question? How? What are you saying? Repeat again. 50. What? 50 is what?
50. We have to find the paise. So can we just? There is 50 into 100. Then we can find the paise.
Correct. If 50 is rupee and you're changing it to paise, you have to multiply by 100 and that is your answer. So it becomes 5,000 paise.
I thought we could only do it with 1-digit numbers.
No. Rule remains the same. Any digit number. So rupee to paise, multiply by 100. Paise to rupee, divide by 100. Okay. I can tell you one more way. Shall I try that? Okay. Suppose my question is 225 paise and I have to change it into rupee the way Daksh was explaining. I'm taking a simple example. Can I rewrite 225 as 200 plus 25? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
200 plus 25 gives me 225 only. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is correct.
Now 200 paise is equal to how many rupees? Tell me. It is 2 rupees?
Yes.
Yes. 2 rupees plus 25 paise. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way also I can get the answer. My answer becomes 2 rupee 25 paise. This was the way that Daksh was trying to explain. So there are multiple ways of doing the question. It depends which way are we comfortable with. Okay. Now, wait, I'll share something with you because now children, I'm planning that I will not at all take easy questions in class. I will straight away take the types of questions that you will face in Olympiad. I know that you have not done these topics in school yet, but very simple things will be a part of homework only. And all tricky questions we will try and do in class. Oh my God, I didn't give you the break. Oh, sorry. Now take 5 minutes break. I'm sorry, I forgot. It is 7:50. Come back by 7:55.
Okay. And have you seen that?
What? Oh, chat box is full. Oh my God. Who didn't understand? Acha, Rebanta. Okay. Oh,
ma'am.
okay. The other thing. Yeah, is it okay? Is that cut okay now?
Ma'am, actually, I just checked today, but I don't know what she wrote.
Okay, chalo, go for 5 minutes break. Come back by 7:55.